What's up, online shoppers? I was gifted this absolutely awesome 16-piece grilling set, and it has changed the barbecue game at our house. Let's be honest, I was gifted it, but I gave it to my husband because he's the grill king at our house, and I'll open it up and show you why he loves this set. First of all, it does come in a really nice, handy little package. It zips on all three sides, and it folds open to all of this awesomeness. Now look at that. They give you this really nice silicone mat. It's heat resistant, which means if you put it close to your barbecue, it's not going to melt. And some people actually use the silicone on the heat because the heat isn't going to melt the silicone, and you can cook on it. There's like a ridge side. Truthfully, my husband loves this for putting his utensils down. Because you know how barbecues have like a little side tray? Well, he puts this down just like that, and then he doesn't have to worry about having a lot to clean up. He picks up his tools, he picks up this little mat like this, throws it in the sink, and it's washed really easy. This is pretty awesome. These are actually grilling sheets. They are heat resistant surfaces that you can put down so that you don't have to clean your grill afterwards. You can actually cook right on top of these, and they do work really well, especially if you're doing something like a smash burger. So if you have just a grill, you don't have a flat griddle, this gives you the option to do a smash burger, and I think that's pretty cool. And how do they wash up? Super easy. All you have to do is just put them in the sink, give them a wipe, and they're good to go. Now, if we're talking about the way that this kit is put together, we really love that it has these little elastic and hook and loop closures for securing them so that you can put them all away and everything stays really neat so that when you open up, nothing goes flying all over the place. Now, something else that's pretty cool about these is the construction of them. They are solid steel, and the handles are rosewood. It's so pretty. Now, these actually get even nicer the more you use them. The wood absorbs the oils in your hands. It gets more of a silky velvety feel. It's really nice. This is sharp, so you can actually do some dicing and slicing with this. Don't slice your fingers on it though. Also have a really nice big spatula. Look at this. Great for burgers. Again, this edge here is actually sharp like a knife, so you're going to want to be careful because you could actually slice yourself pretty good if you weren't paying attention. And again, the weight of these are heavy duty and awesome. Next are these really impressive tongs. They've got a really nice long handle. The wood feels velvety and soft in my hands, and I really like these for grip. They literally grip stuff really well because they've got these teeth that are angled backwards, and whenever you're holding something, they really stick in. Just don't grab yourself. I also appreciate having this other smaller little set, good for flipping things, doing smashed potatoes on the grill or anything else like that. They are nice and easy. They kind of spring back, easy to control. They give you a nice little steak knife. Next, we have this awesome little fork. Now, truthfully, as I said before, the stuff is super sharp. My husband always puts these little silicone tips right back on him after he uses them to keep it sharp and to help prevent me from poking myself if I'm gonna, put things away for him. And finally, take a look at this other nice spatula. The really sharp edge here, serrated cutting edge right here, the nice slotted spatula for moving things around. My husband uses it on the barbecue, and you don't end up getting burned fingers because you're too close to the heat. They are a really nice length. And finally, they include a couple of these awesome little silicone barbecue brushes. We use these for sauces, spreading the barbecue sauce around, all kinds of things like that, drizzling oil on top of stuff, basting over top. Use these for a lot. They're super useful. This really has become one of our go-to grilling sets. The equipment in here is obviously high quality. I've purchased barbecue sets before and never gotten the quality of these ones. And I love that all of the tools have an option at the top for hanging it off the side of my barbecue. Makes it super convenient and easy to access. These are beautiful tools. Not only will you feel like you've spoiled yourself if you purchase it for you, but they really are a nice gift. Wood, heavy steel construction, the high quality details, the nice little tray, and all these other extras. This makes this one definitely a family favorite at my house.